Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This time I'm going to be playing Outlast 2. Surprise, surprise. I really like horror games and I really want to keep going with the horror genre. So let's keep going, I guess. Life Simulator. That seems fun. I enjoy dying. Story mode. I'm just here for the ride. I'll go with normal. I don't want it to be too hard or anything. Outlast 2 contains intense violence, gore, and graphic sexual. Oh shoot! Well, okay then. You are Lynn Langerman. Lynn Langerman is an investigative journalist seeking the answer behind a pregnant woman murdered under impossible circumstances in rural Arizona. You are Black Langerman, her husband, assistant and cameraman. Record everything. Neither of you are fighters, so to navigate the horrors waiting for you in the desert, your only choice are to run, hide, or die. Okay then, let's get started. So, I don't know much about Outlast 1. I haven't played it. Surprise, surprise. But yeah. Okay, we're going in.
Please, Blake.
Oh.
Where are you?
Me?
I'm scared.
Oh, you scared? What? Nah, B, get out of here. I'm jumping into a horror game.
He's coming.
Oh, who's coming?
He's here! No! Get away!
Who?
Jesus, Blake, are you really
Oh,
sleeping?
shoot.
I'm awake.
You should have slept last night.
What happened?
I had to get that hospital footage
Oh, crap.
organized.
You were calling out some other woman's name.
Other woman's name.
What?
Really now?
In your sleep. Jessica, I think.
Ooh, Jessica.
You know a Jessica?
Oh, no. I mean,
Huh?
I was dreaming about Jessica Gray from when we were
Oh,
kids.
you dream.
yeah.
You dream about a
I
kid
haven't thought about her in
when
ages.
you were small.
Hey, we're
A
crossing
friend
into
of you when you were
reservation
small.
land now. You said I'm
What
looking for some
kind?
sort of factory?
What kind of
Yeah.
weird dream is that?
We can look, but there's nothing out
Oh,
here.
cool. Nothing.
Does look pretty empty.
Yeah, it
All
seems
the
to be
mercury in
empty.
that woman's blood, she had to have spent at least a decade downstream from some pretty heavy industry.
Industry.
You say so, man. You bought the time.
You bought the
We
time,
should
I
record
guess.
an intro while we're up here. Production value?
Sure.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's the camera. Okay,
You
so
work my diaphragm with this thing on.
time to show
Audio's
off
gonna
my
be crap.
camera skill.
We'll have to-
Oh shit! What was that?
Fuck.
Fuck. Sorry about that. Left
Hey,
pedal's a little soft,
drive
but
better,
we're
buddy.
good.
Don't text and
That
drive.
was exciting.
That was exciting. Yeah.
Get as much of the landscape behind me as you
Nah.
can. You got me?
Yeah, we're good.
Red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather.
You know
Have
what?
a soup pie. Have a soup pie.
Have a
Okay.
soup pie. Have a soup pie.
I'm Lynn Langerman, here for newstomorrow.net.
Oh,
We're
okay.
flying
So
past the Have a Soup Pie
I
Indian
know how to zoom
Reservation
now.
in central Arizona, in search of the origins of murder victim
Hey, Lynn.
Jane Doe.
yeah, okay.
I don't think you should say murdered. We don't know that.
Oh, I'll say she strangled herself to death.
Yeah, sure.
That's what the
Who
police
strangles
report says.
themselves to
We may
death?
play this before the doctor interviews. If this falls in the first 30, we need to get the word murder in there. We should probably mention the fetus too. I mean, how it
Oh,
just...
fetus.
Here,
Oh
let me try a
god.
version that
Okay.
can serve as an intro for the whole piece. Tell me when we're good.
Okay. We're good.
2 weeks ago, a young woman was found wandering, barefoot, pregnant, and alone on a barren stretch of highway 100 miles from the nearest...
Ooh, what was that? What was that? What was that? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my wife! My wife! No! Oh shit! What the fuck? Oh! Mayday! I don't want. No! Please don't let go! Oh, that was just the intro, I guess. Welcome to Outlast 2. Like I said, I didn't play the first part, so I'm a little oblivious to what happened. I think I am. Hello? Is someone here there? Oh, it's only funny. To Jessica, first place. Huh. So I don't know who Jessica is. From what he mentioned, she's an old friend and he dreamt of personally. Oh Jesus Christ! Literally. Hi man. You seem better today. Oi, 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 oi! Who are you? Hey, wait, asshole! Get back here! I'm not done with you. Where's the run button? Okay. Oh. Huh. It's pointing to 2:30, I guess. Oh, that's a big map. I wonder where I am on this map. Florida. There we go. Yeah, whatever. Let's keep going, I guess. So I don't know much about Outlast, except for it's a horror game, and I think there's something. Oh, okay. I thought there was something behind my back. I'm afraid of these kind of things. What the fuck? Oh shit! What the fuck is that?
We're not alone.
Oh yeah, we're not alone. Of course we're not alone. What the fuck was that? I'm waking up. I'm waking up. Okay, I should avoid copyright. I'm so weak. Oh, tap square rapidly. Like. Right, that's fun. Oh, there's my camera. Surprise, surprise! The camera is not broken from that fall. How? Oh my god. Oi, look at that. How do I zoom in? You can always see your objective by pressing the touchpad. So I'm playing this on a PS4.
Find Lynn.
Funny enough.
Nothing matters but Lynn.
Okay. I guess it's fair enough to say that nothing matters more than your wife. What about your family? Never mind. I guess it is. Shut up, me. Okay, sorry. What? Oh, I was just walking. I didn't know where I was walking. Okay. It's so dark. I don't think. Oh shoot. That's terrifying. So how do I bring up the camera? Shit. I can only. Okay. L1 to look back, I guess. X to jump over the gap. Move forward. I don't think I can jump down there. There. Okay then. I'm getting a hang of this. To get on the ledge. Strap. Okay. My gaming instinct is kicking in. These things are easy. Okay. So L3 to run. Jump over. Okay. Oh gosh. Look at that wreckage. Okay. What did I just? What? Oh crap! I should not skip that.
Oh shit.
Oh, okay. R1 to
Jesus.
Oh my gosh.
Is
Okay, I'm doing something. Oh, I'm recording.
not in here. Lynn!
Okay.
Lynn!
Video recorded. Review record. I remember it said something about swear to review footage. Okay. So put away the camera for now. Let's just go. Use night vision to see in the dark. Ooh, nice. So where do I go from here? There. What a wimpy whippersnap I am. Gosh, fall like that it could hurt me. Oh my god, I'm about to run out of battery. Oh shit!
Oh fuck me!
Oh, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
That did not happen in the crash. Fuck this.
Oh yeah, fuck this, man. Yeah. What was that? What is that? Oh shit! I saw the face. Okay. So, oh gosh. Ooh, I hate bug things. And he got it as well. Oh gosh. Oh, so I guess it. Oh, okay. How do I shut this? Okay, okay. Okay, I guess we need to keep going. I guess. Reload? like reloading guns? Okay. So can I shoot the camera now? No, I guess. Okay, let's keep going then. Oh, I can run. There's a valley. Is that a valley? Oh shit! I'm sliding down now. Okay then. Where am I?
Town.
This looks deserted.
God.
Is that a town?
Miles from anything.
Oh gosh, what I learned from what I learned from a horror game is that you should never ever go into an abandoned town when you're in a horror game. To avoid, press X while keep. Okay. Oh shoot, what is happening? Can I check out this house? Oh, knock.
Hello?
Oh, hello? I'm lost and hurt.
And hurt.
Yeah, we are. So okay, it's locked. Oh gosh, I feel I'm terrified. Okay, I guess there's nothing else but to keep moving forward, just like in life. Oh, wait, I heard that. What is that? What was that?
Is anybody there? Please.
Shit, bro. What is happening? To peek? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh no. Who the fuck was that? Can I hide? No, I guess there's no choice but to keep moving forward, I guess. Ew, what is that? Ew. Oh, no. Can I? No. Please. Oh my god. What is that? That's a statue or a toy of a baby or something. I can peek over the window. Oh gosh. Oh, what is that? Battery. Oh, cool. Okay. More ammo, I guess. What the fuck? Oh, press O to crouch. Okay. Who's? Oh my god. Hello? Fuck it. I'm out of here. What the fuck is that?
That's fucked up.
What do you mean it's fucked up? What? Well, I guess it is fucked up, but still. Press. Oh, to open the window, press Q. Okay. The fuck was that? Holy shit, that scared the shit out of me. Oh fuck. Some doors have dead bolts that can be used to lock or lock. Oh, that? Okay. Hello? Someone on the other side? That's not slowly at all. Oh, there's a hole there. Okay, I can crawl through, I guess. Holy shit, that bird just scared the shit out of me. There's a lot of cross. Everywhere I go, there's cross. Oh gosh. Okay, this is not good. Oh shit. Satan something god? What? Satanus in inimical? Huh? Oh crap, I'm about to run out of battery. Oh, that's another cross. You know, this place looks religious. Oh, what is that? I can pick this up. Oh, I'm photo taken. Midwife lament. The baby's coming. Ready tonight. The baby's coming. Nah, I'm not gonna read it all. You guys can pause and read it for yourself. Oh my God, what is that? What are you? Even the MC's like, no. Oh gosh. No. I'll keep going. Reload? No.
What in...
What in? Huh? Oi! Oh, Oh no.
God.
Gosh. No. Keep going. Don't look back. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. That was moving. Okay. How is it moving if no one's on it? Ooh. I'm sorry, I'm a little paranoid. I guess in this game ghost doesn't exist, but still. Oh, to crawl through. Oh, okay. Okay, so we're doing good so far. No one's chasing us. No one is killing us. I wonder if I'm going the right way. So far, nothing. Hello? Oh shit! Oh, I need to hide. Oh, there's a battery. What? What was that? Who was that? Oh shit! Oh shit! Hello, lady. You good? Oh no. Hello? Oh, I need to go. Oh fuck, come on. Go in. Oh, there's another battery. Okay. Oh, a bandage. I don't know what to do. I guess I can. I need to go out again, I guess. Oh, I need to crawl through that. Crawl through. Oh shit! No. What was that? What the fuck was that? I need to get up there. Oh, okay. Crawl. I'm hearing her. You and your people have made blah, blah, blah. You know what? Pause it and read it for yourself. I'm not going to. I need to keep going if I want to survive. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh! Ow! Oh gosh! Ow! Oh!
Oh, Jesus! Who?
The fuck!
God wants me dead? Okay.
Okay, what? Dude! You're fucking hot! You're fucking defenseless! What the fuck do you mean, okay? What the fuck? Reload, I guess. Ready to fire again. Man, that's something. I guess I've survived my first encounter. Oh gosh, that was scary. Your camera is equipped with microphone. Oh. Ooh. What? Oh, okay. So you can kind. Okay, I'm not taking any chances. Oh, there's someone out there. Is that right? I guess so. Oh gosh. So what do I do? I'm hearing music. Why's the music so? Oh, never mind. I guess. I'll keep going. Fuck it. Hold square to open slowly. I remember that. Hello? Oh shit! Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. There's someone there. Oh shit, and there's someone to my right. Shit. Move now. God, I'm scared. What do I do? Where do I go? Where the fuck do I go? Oh no, oh. Oh no, 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 oh no. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh fuck, not now, battery, please. There's someone right in front of me. Oh gosh. What do I do? I'm stuck in a corner. I can't do shit. Oh gosh, what do I do? What the fuck do I do? Are you gone? Gosh damn it. Okay. I should be fine. I think. So I need to move there. Or I need to get into that house. Okay, let's try getting to that. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Shit, 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 shit. They didn't see me, right? 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 Ooh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! What the fuck? What the fuck? What? Holy sh! Lock it! Lock it! Lock it! Oh gosh, I'm stuck, aren't I? Oh fuck! Oh no, I'm stuck. Oh gosh. Well, there's only one way to settle this. I need to time it right and then I need to run. He's going to the right. So I need to wait for him to go to the left and then I need to make a run. Right away. Okay, where are you now, bastard? Shit, he's coming back. Damn it. I need to time this right.
That throne is from generation to generation.
Where are you? God damn it!
Generation to generation.
Oh, he's camping there. What an asshole! Go, 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 go. Go, go. Go, 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 go! Fucking go! Move! 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 Oh god! What the fuck? Oh shit! Move! Oh shit! What the fuck? Oh, I don't care! Move! 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 Motherfucker! Move!
Why must we do this terrible vibe?
Yo, what is that? Yo, this is I'm running to a church. Oh shit! Where the fuck do I go?
You know what God said.
Where do I go now? Where do I go from here? Oh, through here. Oh, I can go through here, I guess. Can I? Oh, I can. Okay.
We
Okay.
stand in opposition.
This is not that bad, I guess.
If we hope for peace,
Oh, there's something through there. Where do I go from here? Oh, there. Okay. Oh, there's a note. Okay. God has sent this woman what? Fallen like a rebellious angel. What? God damn it. Unlock. Oh, cool. Okay. Take that gag up. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh, that's it. I guess I can stop things from here. So I guess we can keep going from the next time. Listen to me. We crash and then we what? Oh, that's Lynn. Oh, hush, chào. You are reveal that seems religious. Well, anyway, it's oh. I guess we can continue this from later on. If you like a video, please like and subscribe to my channel and then share it around. I'll keep going later. Okay then, bye.